Your inbox is bursting.
Is this what your inbox looks like? If so, don't worry, I've got you covered. Previously on the Mailtrap channel, we used AI tools to improve email security and deliverability. Today, we'll use AI tools to declutter our inbox and reach inbox zero. Find, summarize, and reply to our emails. Write professional emails from scratch. And before we dive in, a disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video. I've tested over 20 tools and picked out the best ones to make your and my team's life easier. And of course, I've made sure to include a bonus tool by the end of the video. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. We start with SaneBox, an email management service that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your email behavior, prioritize your messages, and organize them into folders. Essentially, with SaneBox, you can use AI to make your inbox go from looking like this to this. Now, let me walk you through the setup process real quick. To register, you can use a variety of email providers, such as Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, and the like. In this video, I'll use my throwaway Gmail for demonstrative purposes. So, choose your account, click Continue, give SaneBox access to your inbox, and proceed to the setup wizard. Here you can watch the onboarding video, which I recommend as SaneBox needs some getting used to. First, you'll notice Sane No Replies, a folder where the AI will store the copies of the emails you have sent that haven't been replied to, freeing up the Sent folder. Next, we have Sane Black Hole, a folder where AI will send emails from the people you don't want to hear from again, and then delete them after 7 days. Then we have the so-called Next folders, where emails you put to snooze for a day, week, or month will go to before reappearing in your inbox. And my personal favorite, Sane News, a folder where all those tedious newsletters and mailing list emails will go to. Finally, we are taken to the dashboard. But let's check out our Gmail inbox first. The first thing you'll likely notice is the SaneBox folders we opted for previously, waiting for you underneath the labels with instructions on how to use them. Essentially, by placing emails in the SaneBox folders, the AI will pick up your behavior and start doing it on its own. For instance, the newsletter folder will pick up all emails that look like they came from email lists and place them there for your convenience. Now let's get back to the SaneBox dashboard and declutter our inbox of trash. Simply navigate to Deep Clean, hit Start Scan, and wait for AI to find newsletters, mailing list messages, and other contacts that send you the most emails.
A few moments later.
Once it's done, you can select which emails you want to delete. Click on Trash Selected and let AI do its work.
One eternity later.
Here we can see that it took 1,353 emails where they belong, the garbage bin. Lastly, I must mention that SaneBox is not free. However, besides its cleverly named pricing models, it has a 14-day trial that lets you check it out in action yourself. Most importantly, the changes you make to your inbox remain even when the trial ends, so you can use SaneBox to declutter and organize your email with AI for free. Do you need to proofread those piled up emails? Or how about have someone proofread them for you and translate them into another language? Even better, write replies in your stead. If so, then let me introduce you to Canary Mail, an email client software that integrates Copilot AI, which can go a long way when your inbox is full of unanswered emails. For example, it can find any emails I ask it to in no time after I type in just one single prompt. Here's the latest outreach message I received. Let's see if it includes any tasks for me and summarize the email to see what it's all about. This sounds great, so let's ask this AI tool to write a reply. Now, make it a bit more lengthy, but not too much, as I don't want the other party to spend a lifetime on reading it. Yeah, that's just about right. Time to hit send. Another feature I really like is the ability to proofread emails and make sure I don't enter any typos. Consider it like inbuilt Grammarly, but for emails. Oh, and did I forget to mention that it can translate them like a pro? Let's see what this email looks like in Spanish. Honestly, it looks bueno, but considering I'm no good at Spanish, you folks can tell me if it's good in the comments below. And while you're at it, why not subscribe, ring the bell, and join the Mailtrap community? This way, you'll be notified whenever we drop more email-related goodness. One more AI tool I simply have to mention is Compose.ai, an AI writer that works like a charm for emails. All you have to do is create a free account. You can use any email service provider. Add the Chrome extension, and you can start giving AI some writing prompts. Now, let's visit my inbox again. Type / and have Compose.ai write an email to my product manager, complimenting his gorgeous new haircut. Here it is. Yep, I think he'll love it. However, I think this is too formal for an email that compliments a haircut, so let me just change the tone to friendly. Much better. All jokes aside, Compose.ai can write various types of emails, such as appointment reminders, product launches, and more. Take a look at this project update email, for example. Drop dead gorgeous, isn't it? And similarly to Canary Mail, Compose.ai can also translate emails, so you can compliment your product manager in different languages, like, let's say, French. Touché. And as promised, it's time for the bonus tool. It's called Unroll.me, which, albeit, is not AI-based, but it allows you to unsubscribe from all the unwanted newsletters and emails so easily that I just had to mention it in this video. The tool is super straightforward to use, and you only need a few minutes to clear your inbox after creating an account, letting Unroll.me scan your inbox, and then choosing emails you want to unsubscribe from. You can also add emails to Rollup, a feature that lets you store your subscriptions in a separate folder until a specified time. Now that we've successfully used AI tools to declutter and manage our emails, why not take it a step further and use AI tools to automate your email marketing efforts? If you're wondering how, simply click here, and I'll see you in the next one.